Are you looking for the best dehumidifier in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best dehumidifier that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Anofia 30 Pint Dehumidifier. It is the best dehumidifier for efficient moisture removal as it contains a compressor that is useful, internal fan, and refrigerator coils. It is majorly known for its capability of removing up to 30 pints of daily moisture. Besides, it has intelligent humidity control. At number 4, Aprilaire 1830 Basement Pro Dehumidifier. It is built to last as it contains corrosion-resistant aluminum coils. They are manufactured and designed in the USA. It is best preferred as it controls and reduces the humidity in the basement. It thus helps in the prevention of damp furnishing and carpeting. At number 3, Rinkmo 30 Pint Dehumidifier. The dehumidifier is containing stylish modern design. It is, therefore, unique compared to all other dehumidifiers in the market. Additionally, the operation of the dehumidifier is a straightforward process, and usage is simple. Besides, it has a high level of safety protection. It auto-shuts whenever the water tank is full, or the required humidity is achieved. At number 2, Latitop Dehumidifier. It contains excellent efficiency and a high level of purification of air. It efficiently and quickly removes moisture from a given place. Additionally, it is a quiet dehumidifier as it is adopting an advanced whisper technology. As a result, it makes less noise. The noise is minimal and will thus not disturb your work or sleep. At number 1, Seavin Electric Dehumidifier. It is a dehumidifier that is energy compact. Additionally, it will be working effectively with a target of removing 500 milliliters gallons in a day. More also, it does all this job with the consumption of minimal energy. Furthermore, usage is super easy. Ensure you adjust it to humidity, which is ideal, and leave it to run continuously for 24 hours until the tank is full. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.